Open your browser and type AWS Free Tier. Open first website. And click on Create Free Account. Enter your name and email. And verify the code that was sent to your Gmail. After verifying, set the password and then confirm password. Enter contact information. Now enter your credit card details. Don't worry, it is free. It will not charge you. Select free plan and complete sign up. Now go to console. Log in as a root and enter your email address. After that, enter password. Congratulations, you are on AWS dashboard. Now click on EC2. Now click on Launch Instances. Enter the number of instances you want to create. Select Operating System. Now create new key pair and enter the key pair name. Your key pair is downloaded now. After that, click on Launch Instances. It will take few seconds. Your instances are successfully launched. There are two virtual machines which we have created. Select the file and click on Connect. Go to RDP client and download the remote desktop file. Open this downloaded file. And it will ask for a password. Go back to get the password and upload a key pair file and click on Decrypt Password. Now you can see your password. Copy the password and enter password. It will take few seconds to connect. Boom! Your machine is starting. If you need any help, let me know in comment section.